Hey everybody, today I have another rare car for you all. I have a 1997 DB7 Aston Martin. This car here definitely is based off the Jaguar XK. It does have different headlights, front bumper, the whole front end's a little bit different. I think the doors are about the same. This is a convertible. Come around to the back fascia is different with a lot bigger taillight lenses, and there we go, the DB7. It is a convertible, as I said earlier. Leather seats. Here's a interior shot. This car only has like 30,000 miles on it. This car has the 3.2 liter straight six supercharged engine, and you can see the supercharger right there. And let's come over to this side here, and from this angle here it looks like a Jaguar engine, which it is. It's a Jaguar engine with a supercharger. This is the lower model. They also did make a V8 model, but this is the less of one. So here's another one that you don't see all the time, is a 1998 Aston Martin DB7. It needs to be detailed, wheels a little bit dirty, but beautiful car. All right everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there, and please give me thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.